3.3 is about system of inequalities. The only way to do this is to solve by graphing because your solution is many points. So in order to do this, you got to go ahead and graph it. You already have the 1 in slope-intercept form. So I need to take 2x minus y greater than or equal to -3 and put it into slope-intercept form. Move the 2x over, you get negative y greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 3. Now I need to divide by the -1, so I end up with y less than or equal to positive 2x plus 3. Okay? Now you've got slope-intercept of both lines, so let's call this line 1, and let's call this line 2. Let's go ahead and graph line 1. 2x plus 3, so we want to go up to 3, put a dot. Okay? Now, 2x is a slope, so up 2, 1, 2 over 1, put another point. Okay? Now, it's a solid line because it's equal to, so draw your line. Now, less than is shaded underneath it, so I'm going to shade down here. Okay, well, let's use another color. Okay, let's call it line 2 now. We want to graph that. Well, plus 1 is up here. There's your new y-intercept. Negative 1/2 slope, we're going to go down 1 over 2, put another dot. And we're going to draw, that is also a solid line, that way. Its y is greater than or equal to that line, so I'm going to shade above. So, my solution set to this system is where the graphs overlap. So, between the two graphs, see the black and the red intermingle there? I'm going to use yellow, and that's actually what the solution to all my system is. Everything in those areas. Problem 4 is solving a linear/absolute value system. So there's two different kinds of equations here, but it's the same concept. Okay, so what is the solution to the system of inequalities? Y is less than or equal to 3. Again, we struggle at graphing this, but 1, 2, 3, put a dot up on y. Okay, right there. And my y is less than or equal to, it's a solid line right there. Well, where is that shaded at? Less than is below it, so I'm going to shade below. Okay, that's all of the answers to that one. Now let's graph this one. We'll do it in red as well, like we did the last one. My vertex for this one is 1, 0. Remember, opposite in parentheses. My slope is just 1 because there's nothing out there. So let's go to 1, 0. Put a dot. It's right there. Okay, I'm going to go up 1 over 1, put another dot. Put another dot over here because it's over there. Now, it's greater than or equal to, so again, we have a solid line. There's that graph. Okay, where is that shaded now? Greater than is shaded all above it. Where does my graph overlap? Well, see where the black and the red touch? Right there is where it's all shaded. Just that part right there. And that's it.